You want to hear something that's going to blow your mind? I had the most insane thing happen last night.
I came up with an analogy that I really like. The story of the dice. So let's say you and a friend are both given a many-sided die. Let's say one of you has a 20-sided die and the other one of you has a 200-sided die. On your die, only one side is green. The other sides are red, both of you. The catch is, no one knows how many sides each person has. The rules of the game are simple. If you roll and you hit red, you can pick up and you can roll again. If you hit green, you make a sale. And every time you roll a green, die that you have shrinks the side, which means that your probability increases with the next roll. So you start playing the game, and there have been people who've been playing this game for 30 years, but you don't know how long anyone's been playing. All you see is the size of their die, but you don't know if they started at 5,000, or you don't know if they started at 3. The size of the die is related to your natural talent. You roll. There's no other actual action. The success is simply predicated on your ability to hit red, pick up the die, and roll again. But you looking at everyone else's size of die, so they could have been smaller because they've been playing a long time, or it could have been smaller because they had natural talent. But the thing is if you and your friend went in, your friend rolls a couple of times, and he sees you hit green, and then he gets more and more frustrated every time you hit green, even though his roll is completely independent from yours. And he quits. And he doesn't know that he actually has a 20-sided die, and you had the 200-sided die.
All right, man, this was fun to make, especially the jealous guy here, which was kind of cathartic. Quiz time! Let's see if any of you can name all the styles. There's one or two very rare ones. And just because I made the last one quite quickly, I'll give a hint for that one. Frazetta. And there's one that I think only people from Belgium will know, but let's see. I used a mix of Photoshop animating with a timeline and Final Cut Pro keyframes. Works surprisingly fast if you just animate the mouths and a few loops. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you enjoyed it. Catch you next time for some more nostalgic experiments. Bye!